Hi there, welcome to another WebNinja tutorial. Today we're looking at the advanced shipping tables. These tables are an extension of the domestic shipping tables. Once turned on, in the sidebar menu in the admin area, just find shipping and then click on manage shipping rules. Click on new rule set to set a new condition. So start by populating the name and the description fields, which will show on the shipping page. And then in the drop down menu next to primary conditions, you'll see there's a whole heap of features to select from. Some of them that I actually haven't even tested, but if you play around with it, you'll probably figure it out. And you'll notice that also you can set a second condition as well, so it can get quite complex. So look, we're going to go ahead and set up some tiers to our location here in Varsity Lakes, and it'll be just for this postcode, which is 4227. So we're going to add that to the primary conditions and save that. And then the next thing to do here is to click on sub rules and set some new rules for this location. So we're going to set some tiered pricing. So the first one will be up to $250. We're going to charge $15 freight. Once we've saved that, we can then go ahead and say set up another tier. In this case, we're going to say from $250 to $500 is going to be $20. So that means that if your order amounts to anywhere between $250 and $500, you'll be charged $20 freight as long as you live here in Varsity Lakes. So now I've got the 4 tiers set up. So any order up to $250 will be $15, $250 to $500 will be charged $20, from $500 to $1,000 will be charged $25, and over $1,000 will be freight free. So remember, that just applies to the postcode of 4227. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and set up another condition, and this time it'll be for Queensland residents outside of the postcode 4227. So again, I'll set up a name and a description. Under the primary conditions, again I'll select postcodes, and I'll allocate the postcode range to every postcode in Queensland outside of 4227. And once I save that, then again I'll go ahead and set up the tiered system using the sub rules. Now when I set these tiers up, I'm going to actually set the primary condition to be by weight. And when you select weight, all the weights that are calculated are in kilograms, and you also need to make sure that you have weights against all your products in your accounting software. Okay, so up to 1 kilo, I've set it at $10. Then I'm going to set another rule for orders that weigh between 1 and 2 kilos, and right up to 5 kilos, and then over 5 kilos, again I'm going to set it to be freight free. So now that I have 2 tables set up, just a quick review of each table. We've got a freight rule to Varsity Lakes, and only including the postcode 4227, and they're charged by the cart total. And then outside of Varsity Lakes in Queensland, we're charging by the total weight of the order. Thanks for watching.